Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the sound ah. It's a vowel in American English. And I want you to know that this video is one video in a series of pronunciation videos that I have here on my channel. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe so that you don't miss any of those videos in this series. Before we get to that sound, I want to let you know that a lot of English learners will focus on the individual sounds of English, but the individual sounds is actually not the most important part of pronunciation. What's more important is intonation, word stress, and sentence stress. Those things will help you to be more understandable, but learning the individual sounds also can help you feel more confident and even improve your listening. I wanted to focus on this sound today because the sound ah doesn't exist in many languages around the world. So what that means is that this vowel probably doesn't exist in your first language. And that means that many English learners will replace the ah sound with another sound, like maybe ah. So for example, when you say the word bad, do you say it with the ah vowel, or are you replacing that ah sound with another sound that's easier for you to make? But learning the ah sound can help you to feel more confident and help you sound more native if that's your goal. So let's start with how to make the ah sound. When you make this vowel, you want to remember two important things: low and front. So let me explain what that means. The vowel ah is what's called a front low vowel. That means that it's made with the tongue in the front of the mouth and with the jaw low. So in English, we have 5 front vowels. I want you to notice how my jaw drops when I make those vowels. E, I, a, ah. So the first one, E, is in the word beat, I is in the word bit, A is in the word ate, E is in the word bed, and A is in the word bad. So you can see how the jaw drops to make the A vowel low. Again, if I go through those 5 vowels, E, I, a, ah. Also, it's called a front vowel because the tip of my tongue is in the front of the mouth. And for the vowel ah, the tip of my tongue actually touches the lower teeth. So behind my lower teeth is where the tip of my tongue is sitting. Ah. You want to make sure that your tongue stays wide and that you allow the jaw to drop. Not too much. Your mouth doesn't need to open a lot. Maybe an inch or so, but the jaw does need to drop enough that the sound ah is clear. So let's practice with some common words that have the vowel ah, and you can repeat after me. Act, bad, bat, pack, path, sat, math, fat, hat, laugh, back, last, bath, pass, have, can't. Now let's try with a few longer words. These are words that have more than one syllable. Plastic, chapter, relax. Now this word has 2 related forms, relaxed and relaxing. So you can say, for example, yesterday I relaxed all day, or this music is relaxing. Nasty, taxes, happen, haven't, strategy. Now let's look at what happens when we have the A vowel before an N or an M. And you'll notice that the A vowel sounds a little longer and that there is a little change in the vowel that happens. So what we do is we make the sound A and then we start to move up to make the N or the sound. So listen to this one, can. You'll notice that instead of saying can, we say can. Can. So let's practice some examples. Fan, am, Andy, sand, land, ham, hand, candy. And let's try the A sound in some short phrases or sentences. The last chapter in our math book. I just finished our taxes and now it's time to relax. I bought a bag of candy and a pack of gum. A plastic bag. Can you give me a hand? Notice that the modal verb can here is reduced to kun, and that's a rule that I'll talk about in another video, but usually the modal verb can is not pronounced clearly with an A vowel. It's usually pronounced like kun because it's reduced. Can you give me a hand? Finally, let's practice with another vowel that's similar to the vowel A, but it's an important one because we need to know the difference between the vowel E and the vowel A because they are similar, but they are completely different for native speakers of English. So the vowel E, as in bed, is similar because it's also a front vowel and it's like one step higher than A. So look at the difference. Bed, bad. Bet, bat. So the sound E is with the mouth just a little more closed, and then the sound A, you have to lower your jaw a little bit more. So let's practice the difference between those two. Bed, bad. Bet, bat. Lend, land. Pen, pan. Head, had. X, axe. Pets, pats. Left, laughed. So I hope this overview of the vowel A was helpful for you. In the comments below, I have a question for you that you can answer about this vowel. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more upcoming videos. Thanks so much, take care, and see you soon.